What video game sound effect can you still hear in your head? Hash. I fucking heard it just from that coin popping out of a brick in Super Mario Brothers. Edit. Thanks for the kindness. Rich internet person. S. Yep. Also going down into pipes. Yoshi's tongue MLEM is going to be ingrained in my head forever. Edit. Jesus. Came home from work to 22k upvotes in gold. Gonna have to write an award ceremony speech crediting Yoshi for my success. Sega. Edit. Blooming heck. Ridiculous. Thanks for the silver and gold. I just posted this as a throwaway before bed, so waking up to all these memories is ace. I debated punctuation and caps but ended up going all caps just because I remember how spine-boltingly loud it always was. Especially when me and my brother would try and sneak the Mega Drive upstairs for a late-night game or two. Fatality. Toasty. Finish him. The Game Boy startup sound, if that counts. Bu ding. Waka 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 from Pac-Man. Double kill, triple kill, kill-tacular. Falcon PUUUNCHPK fire. P's 2 booting up, if that counts. Edit. Thanks for first silver kind stranger. Edit 2. Gold 2. Never felt this love. Slams piano keys. VWOM. Edit. Thanks for first silver. Edit 2. Holy shit, I got gold. Tie. This comment exploded more than I thought it would. GameCube opening sequence. Doobu 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 boo doobu boo doobu boo asterisk bu asterisk 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 buuuuumph asterisk asterisk. Mario Jump. Collecting tilde tilde coins tilde tilde rings in Sonic. Sim speech. EA Sports. It's in the game. Edit. My apologies. Rings in Sonic. Coins in Mario. SMH. It's been too long since I played either of them. The Yoshi hover grunt from Yoshi's Island, my first video game ever, smiley face. Edit. The GBA version. Hung nnnnnnnnnnngHHHH. Nernroot. Is my tinnitus acting up, or is that just Nernroot? Get over here. All the Age of Empires 2 villager sounds. Shish ho. Also those from Age of Mythology. Asterisk PROSTAGMA. BULOME asterisk. Edit. METALEBS to all of you boos. Thanks for the gold. Kind stranger Panita. WOLOLO. Mission failed. Well, get M next time. Captain Price was a god among men. Enemy AC 130 above. EA Sports. It's in the game. Carrot challenge, carrot everything. The battle music from the original Pokemon games. The Leap of Faith, Eagle Screech from Assassin's Creed. Minecraft Villager. Hermf HRRRMNHRRRM. Skyrim's level up sound effect. Wah, For me it's the skill level up sound, the lil drum roll. Used to hear it over and over again while leveling up smithing or alchemy. Minecraft eating noises. All sounds from Minecraft TBH. I still have the Minecraft oof sound stuck in my head even though that sound effect hasn't been in the game for a few years. FF victory fanfare. Watch those wrist rockets! Exclamation mark. Super battle droid knock M down! Exclamation mark. Just like the simulations. Sonic both when he drowns or when you get that last second bubble to save yourself from drowning. That drowning music still makes my heart race. I have it as a ringtone for people I need answer urgently. Call of Duty hit marker. THP THP THP. In Rayman there are these little things behind doors and when you get close to the door they say, "Help me." The click 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 of a coaster going up a hill from any of the roller coaster tycoon games. Ah, fresh meat. Quote. Hello my friend. Stay a while and listen. Quote. MW2 Tactical Nuke Countdown. I can't believe nobody has said the MW2 intervention firing sound. Pac-Man, take your pinky and scratch the inside of your ear 4 times to hear it for yourself. I was just about to put the waka, waka, waka from Pac-Man. Now you got me with my finger in my ear. And it is surprisingly similar. Thanks. Collecting XP in Minecraft. Picking up items too, especially when it's quick and constant like strip mining with a fast pick. Silencer in GoldenEye carrot pew. The hammer from Donkey Kong. The sound when you mount onto Yoshi. The Pokémon Center healing sound. The sound on Skyrim when you complete or receive a quest. The sound of a door, teleport in Doom. Update. Thanks for all the responses guys. Poke Center sound also greater than. Ding 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 a ding. The Roblox oof. An ally has been slain. Quote. An ally has been slain. Double kill. Triple kill. Ah yes, there goes everyone in the gank I warned them about. That notification kinda sound effect in GTA San Andreas. When it notifies you that your stamina has been upgraded for example. Also the sound after you lose the cops. The circus of DALUEEE. Yoda dying in Lego Star Wars. Or fucking R2D2. Hashtag WAAAAAAAAAOOHHH. AAAAUUUUGH. Quote. Wasted. StarCraft Brood War. Sound of Dragoon exploding into blue goo. Sound of pylon warping in. You must construct additional pylons. Honestly every single sound in that game. The opening to Skyrim Monsieur. Hey, you're finally awake? The power-up sound from Mario Brothers. The WoW level up sound. Nothing else can fill me with such an immediate dopamine rush. Runaway little girl, runaway evil laugh. Another one from WoW that I clearly remember is Illidan yelling at me asterisk, you are not prepared. Asterisk, Mario coins. Link opening a chest. Hey, listen. Quote. Samus charging in Smash. Lavender Town in the original bike theme. The Pokeball, BWIP. The Lavender Town theme has to be the most iconic music all of the Pokemon games. CSAWP shot. OOBIDIGAH. Also basically all the Crash Bandicoot sound effects. CCCCC combo breaker. Exclamation mark. Intro sound Half-Life. Also the healing noise from every Valve game following Half-Life 1. Voodoo PSSHT. Can't believe I had to scroll this far to find a Half-Life mention. Valve's games all have the perfect sounds. The original Doom guy's injury grunt. Original Doom's door opening was the first one that came to mind. All of RuneScape. Zombies yelling in the original Black Ops. The sound an Enderman makes when it dies. DAAAUGHR. Quote. Asterisk BOOMSHACKALAKA. Asterisk. FF7 victory music. The Dark Souls 3 death sound. The parry noise. The Reapers from Mass Effect. And the mission failed sound. Final Fantasy victory theme. The Zelda chest opening sound effect. The Kingdom Hearts cursor noises or the echo when Sora dies. Edit. Does the echo count as a sound effect? No idea but I'll leave it anyways lol. Edit number 2. Thank you Anonymous for my first gold award. It's not a sound effect but playing KH3 for the first time reminded me how much I love the music on the title screen. I think it's called Dearly Beloved. So good. Sound effect? Anything Mario. Coins. Pipes. Stars. Etc. Honorable mention. Sega. Screaming at you. Most memorable sound. Either Navi's Hey, Listen, or Slippy Toads. Fox No. Quote. I've been through damn near this entire thread looking for Star Fox 64. Slippy's hit. Gee, I've been saved by Fox. Take care of the guy behind me. Fox. Location confirmed. Sending supplies. All range mode. Good luck. Hashtag nerf this. Or, hash asterisk Ryuga Wagateki wo Corral. Exclamation mark. Asterisk. Asterisk it's high noon asterisk. Minecraft BLOCC. Snake shouting there. In Smash Bros. PNTAKILLACE. Followed by a bunch of pings. I can hear those pings in my head so vividly. The Skyrim dragon roar. Sound of Sonic losing his rings when he gets hit. Valve sound when opening TF2. And don't forget that the volume was up way too much in your headphones most times. Grass sound Minecraft. The generic door opening sound in Dio Monsieur, also the zombie moan when one dies. EA Sports, it's in a game. Bomb has been defused. Counter-terrorists win. Wii Sports theme. The infant crying from Max Payne. That whole fucking scene level though. I was a kid, about 11 or 12, when I first saw my brothers playing through that, and it was horrifying. I still remember that scene today. I didn't like the way the show started. They'd given me the best seat in the house. Front row center. Enemy AC 130 above. The Terraria death sound. You were slain. The roaring sound when the Eye of Cthulhu charges at you. Boop, boop, boop. Asterisk, boop, asterisk. Halo, of course. Bill's here. Also, the cries of the witch. Grabbing some pills. Getting a ring in Sonic 2. A new round of COD zombies starting. A round of COD zombies ending. Something need doing. Work, work. Job done. Zug zug. Mario coins. The Reaper sounds from Mass Effect. Some of Geralt's random lines from The Witcher. Winds howling. Looks like rain. That Dragon Ball Z teleport sound. VATS whoosh. Kazooie shitting an egg. So many BK sound effects. GUH huh. Ekum bokum Kazooie's Talon trot noise. Ace Attorney. Objection. Wilhelm Screa Monsieur. The biotic booms from Mass Effect 3. Man. Mass Effect's sound design between 2 and 3 was on point. So many of my notification tones over the years have come from those two games. Cliff Racers intensifies. There are so many from CC, Red Alert and its sequel. Locked and Loaded. Man, it took way too long to scroll down to this. Greater than Kiriv reporting. Greater than Yuri is master. I understand. Greater than Apocalypse Tank. Ready. General stands out too. Greater than King Raptor here. Greater than BUNKERBUSTERBOMBS are ready. Sir. Unit lost, unit lost, unit lost, unit lost, unit lost, building unit lost, building unit lost. Construction complete, low power building unit lost, unit lost. Rupees and Zelda LTTP. Drop a spoon into my mug. It makes the same sound. Making a cup of tea is a very nostalgic experience. Using a wall health station in Half-Life. Hey, listen! Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Every creepy sound from Bloodborne. Game Boy startup noise. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.